Hey everyone, my name is Masa and I work for Lightly. In this very short video, I want to show you how you can create tags inside LightlyStudio. So, for example, let's say I have a large dataset. It can even be unlabeled, such as in my case. And I have a bunch of images and I don't have, much understanding of it yet. However, first of all, I can use LightlyStudio's semantic text search capability. And let's say I search for images of, let's say cats. I press enter. And voila, as you can see, the images that were retrieved back to me are the images that are including cats in some form. So, the most similar images to this description, cats. And now let's say that there's some images that really caught my attention and I want to somehow remember them for later. And this is where tags come in. So basically I can just, let's say, choose the images that were the most similar to the description cats. So let's say first 4 images. I just click on them, or I can click on this green arrow here, or I can just click on image, it doesn't matter. So basically, let's select these first 5 photos and let's click now here on the left. We click create new tags and let's call this tag just cats, basically. Create tag and save. So yeah, now the tag has been created, and now let's say some time passes. I come back to my dataset the other day or some later time, and I want to find the images that I previously tagged. Now this is very simple. I just go here to the tag section and I select my tag of interest, in this case cats, and voila, as you can see, now the images here are basically the images that I tagged before. Yeah, that's all for tagging, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.